She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own right, living her dream.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can design your own filter from MATLAB and how you can generate the HDL code for it. Okay, so go to command window of your MATLAB and type filter designer. Okay, so when you type the filter designer command, you will see this part. So you can choose the type of filter you want, and for example we can choose bandpass filter and the type of filter. Okay, the infinite impulse response filter and finite impulse response filter. We can choose finite impulse response filter, and the type of the filter design, that is window filter design. Okay, so you can specify the order of the filter here, maybe the 10th order filter or 15th order filter. For example, you can choose 15. Okay, and you have to adjust the cutoff frequency of that filter. Okay, so adjust from normalize 0 to 1. So for example, let's say 0.5 and 0.6. Other details can be done here. Go to filter structure, will be the direct form here. Okay, and go to here, so filter arithmetic, fixed point filter arithmetic, and then the type of precision, maybe full precision, to take the default values or specify all, and you can adjust all the coefficients, input output volt lengths, and also filter internals. Okay, so for example go to here, and the input you can change here, and the output fraction length you can also change here. Okay, and the coefficients you can also change the word length of the coefficient here, and filter internals. Okay, product word length, the accumulation fraction length, accumulating word length, you can adjust all and say apply. Okay, go to the first, and you can see your filter. Okay, your design filter, say design filter. So your filter looks like this one, so you can adjust here this one, and the bandpass here window, the quantized and the reference window are almost the same. Okay, and now we are done designing our filter. Now the next step is generating HDL code for it. Okay, so go to target here and generate the HDL code. Okay, so the type of language, that is the HDL, and the name of filter you can adjust here, and you can browse where the must be for. So go to desktop, we can choose MATLAB, you can select the folder. Okay, that is the multiplier size 16, is fully parallel architecture. Okay, you can adjust the test bench here. There are also global setting here. Adjust here the name, and also you can go to the ports, and you can adjust the name of the input and output ports. Okay, and also go to advanced. There are details. Okay, type of receive asynchronous, you can say generate at the end. Now both the test bench and the HDL code of that filter will be generated. Okay, here is the HDL code, and here is the test bench. Okay, so click on it. Here is the HDL code for that filter. Okay, and also here is the test bench, you can open it again. Okay, so here is the test bench for that. So you can generate the HDL code and the test bench for that filter easily using MATLAB. Okay, instead of typing manually. Okay, so thank you for watching.